Hi all, have you been having challenges in making soap with fiber oil, I mean red oil? To make a very good soap that actually lathers, remember red oil does not have the ability to foam except you add any foaming agent of your choice to boost lather. So in today's video, I want to show you how to use palm oil enormous amount of water to achieve a great soap. This is a 3 liters of oil and I made 68 pieces of soaps. This soap is not the kind you sell for 200. No, I won't sell this soap anything less than 250. So if you are interested, sit back, watch to the end. And again, this soap lathers so well. So if you want to make your soap using fiber oil, you will need to be generous with your any foaming agent you are making use of to enable your soap foams a lot like you are seeing in this video. So if you are ready guys, let's start the video proper. Okay, please make sure you are writing down everything in your book. So let's shoot. Okay, here are the chemicals I'll be working with in today's production. Of course, this is my caustic soda of a 480 grams. This is my soda ash of 150 grams, and I'm going to use 500 ml of water, 500 mils of water to dissolve my soda ash. Please, I used a cold water, but if you want your soda ash to dissolve faster, make use of warm water. So I made use of a 500 ml of water to dissolve my 150 grams of my soda ash. You can still make this soap without soda ash, that's no problem, but I made use of soda ash in this particular production. So after dissolving my soda ash, I'm going to set it aside. So the next online is my perfume, and I have 100 mils of perfume. Remember the foam booster I made the other time? Of course, you should remember this foam booster. So I'm going to make use of this foam booster in this particular production. So this is my 480 grams of soda ash, sorry, caustic soda rather. So I'm dissolving it with 150 mils, like 1 liter 500 and 1.5 liters, rather 1.5 liters of water. So in this particular production, I'm making use of only two chemicals, soda ash and the caustic soda. So this is my oil. I'm sorry I did not warm my oil. There was no means because I'm not home anymore. I've gotten a space, so there is no means for me to warm my oil. So that's why I made use of my caustic soda when it was still hot. All right, so remember this is a fiber oil. You need to warm your fiber oil before you make use of it so that all the granules will dissolve. All right, so I've added my caustic soda which I prepared earlier. So you will see the outcome of this soap. I know when you encounter such in your soap production, I know you are going to be worried as a newbie. Okay, you are going to be worried, but here I was not worried at all because I know it will come out smoothly. So I added my soda ash I dissolved. Please do not mind the noise on the background. I'm in the shop, and it's a very busy place. People are walking up and down, so I'm shooting this content in the shop already. So I've added the chemical in the soap batter, then I'm mixing it. So after mixing, I'm really sorry about this spatula, this mixer, this whisker rather. It always fall off, but don't worry, I know what I'm going to do to the whisk. So after adding all those things, I covered the bucket for the heat from the caustic soda to help cook the soap. So if you want to make this soap with your fiber oil, please make sure you warm it enough so that you will encounter this. If you're a newbie, this is going to be hard for you. So I love the texture of this soap. Yeah, I'm still going to shoot another video where I'm going to use my alcohol. Using alcohol with this kind of oil is going to give you a perfect soap. So I'm going to try it out and see the outcome. So this is how the soap looks like now. Now I'm adding my foam booster is going in now. Oh yeah, this is the foam booster I made, so I want to just try it out. If you have not watched the video of how I made this particular foam booster, please, I just dropped the video I think yesterday. It's going to benefit you a lot. So this is not the regular foam booster you buy in the chemical shop. No, this is the foam booster I made for myself, and it's very potent. This foam booster foams a lot. If you watch this video from the beginning, you will see how foamy the soap is. Remember, it's a very hard oil. It's a fiber oil that doesn't lather at all, but with the help of this foam booster, it makes the soap bubble and foams a lot. And again, I want to use this medium to tell those of you in Owerri and environs that we have a walk-in shop now. And our shop is located beside Phase 1 Road, Akwakuma, Owerri. We teach lip care, head care, skin care, any kind of soap making and cleaning products too. Alright, so come and have a proper training with us. Believe me, you will not regret it at all. Okay, now what I'm adding now is my 100 mils of a perfume. In case if you want to know the kind of perfume I used, this is a new rose and blue elements. I love using this to combine together because they give this awesome fragrance. They make your soap smells amazing. So you can go to the shop, the chemical shop, and ask for this perfume. So I added more of my foam booster. Please, you have to be generous when it comes to adding foam booster in your production. Do you know you won't be happy when you wash with a particular soap and it doesn't foam? You wouldn't want to buy that particular soap again. So if you don't want your customers to run away from you, please be generous with your foam booster and for it to, make the soap lather enough. All right, so retain your customers by giving them what they want, please. And if you have watched this point, you should be liking this video already. Like the video, share it with your loved ones, please. If you have any question, drop your question on the comments below and I'll get back to you. Okay, so subscribe if you have not subscribed. Please don't watch without subscribing. Like I always tell you, it's free. We don't charge anything for you to subscribe to this channel. All right, so this soap is in the mold. Sorry, I didn't get the part where I was cutting the soap, but this is the soap after cutting and stamping it. Have you seen how lovely this soap is? Remember, I did not add any color to this soap. So the soap actually came with the color of the oil. This is a kind of a butter color. Honestly, if you see this soap live, you're going to fall in love. It's very lovely. The soap came out very good, nice and strong. So these ones I'm going to give my supplier. I'm going to send this one to the market. Oh yeah, I'm going to send these ones to the markets already, but I'm going to wait for like 4 days before I package them and send them out to the owner. So this soap is very lovely. This is what you should try out. Have you seen the length of this soap? So this kind is not what you sell 200 naira. Meaning that I'm going to sell this soap nothing less than 250. Are you saying it's not lovely? This soap is very good and it smells nice due to the kind of perfume I used. Do you like my stamp? We can run this stamp for you. And also remember that we sell tallow in 20 liters bucket and the price has not. So we're still selling for 35,000 naira. All right, very clean tallow that you would like. I decided to use palm oil, fiber oil today. This is not actually the main red oil. No, this is a fiber oil. And this time is the time for you to go to the market and sort for your oil because I think oil is a bit cheap now. than before. So if you want to sort for your oil, you should go to all these bush markets, buy your oil in quantity, so that tomorrow when the price of oil increased again, you won't be at loss. Okay, so we are coming to the end of this class, man. Have you liked this video? Have you subscribed to the channel? This is the part that I'm telling you about. Have you seen how foamy this soap is because of the foam booster I used? Honestly, you should try this foam booster out. Try this out. You're going to fall in love. It's going to help your soap to lather very well. Stop buying everything in the chemical shop. Try out new things for yourself, guys. Have you seen how foamy? God, this is wonderful. Okay, guys, see you in my next video. Until then.